In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use offline mode in Canva so that you can keep working even without an internet connection. So now, what offline mode does? What it does, it lets you edit previously opened designs without an internet connection. Also, the changes that you have done, it gets auto-synced once you're back online. Now, in order to enable offline mode, we're going to go over to Canva. Let's go inside one of our designs. For example, this one. Now on the top left corner, you can see this right here. All changes are saved. I can press on this and there will be a button, make available offline. So let's just press on it and it's going to prepare your design for offline use. It says you can keep editing while it finishes. So you can do that. It's going to download your design. You can see on the top left, it is saving to your device. Okay, now it says design is available offline. Great. So the thing is, if I switch off my internet, so on the bottom right, I can press on this Wi-Fi icon and then I can switch off the Wi-Fi from here. Try to refresh our page. It's still working even without an active internet connection. Now it says over here on the top left, changes are saved to device. Now there are some things that you are not able to do with the offline mode. For example, if I want to edit something or use the background removal or eraser that you are not able to use in this, you would also not be able to use these AI stuff with the edit mode. You can put shadows and such here in the offline mode, but you would not be able to use the filters. So that's not available. The duotone that is down here in filters, you would be able to use these. That is possible to do. Also, if you go over to the upload section on the left hand side, you would be able to drop your content here, but you would not be able to see your older content that you had uploaded before. So if I go over to the upload files section, I can drop something. Let's say I drop this thing, one of my thumbnails. I can drop it. And it says you're offline. You can still upload images, but editing is not available until you're back online. So I can click on this. For some reason, it's not showing our thumbnail over here, but I can drop it in our design on the right, and I can move it around, edit our design and such. Now the image that you have uploaded, or the video or audio file that you have uploaded, would get auto-synced once you're back online. Your changes to your designs that you have done will also get auto-synced. So let's go over here on the bottom right and enable our Wi-Fi. Okay, now we are connected to internet. Let's press on the refresh button over here to reload. And there you go. Your offline changes were resynced. So you can see our image that was here is there, placed correctly. And I can go to the upload section and the images that were uploaded are here. And it's now available in the upload section. But of course, this is one big limitation, that the uploads that you have done before, you would not be able to access them. So in case you want to find an already uploaded design or image, file, video file, etc., you would need to go online in order to see your uploads section. Let's switch our internet off and let's see what else we can do. Let's go over here. Go over to Canva AI. We are not able to access that. Even the brand is not accessible. Text we can add, but it's just the basic text that you can add. In elements, I think you can add basic shapes, charts, grids, and tables, but you'll not be able to access the other elements that are available. In tools, you can access all of this. Projects offline, apps are offline, and all the other stuff are offline. So yeah, these are some limitations, and you should be able to edit your design, change stuff around, change the text as well. And you get all of this. You can also take a look at your layers and such. You can do that. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use Canva offline, enable the offline mode in Canva, and create designs without internet. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Canva related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.